everyone, I'm Sumaya and you are watching Shumi Create. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful and aesthetic seashell dream catcher using simple materials. Since I have this MDF hook for a long time, I thought it works perfect fine. Let's start by wrapping the thread around the hook with the help of glue. Make sure to wrap it tightly so there is no gaps. Take your time here. Neat wrapping makes everything looks more professional. Slow and even wrapping gives the best result. You can also match the thread color with your theme to make it more aesthetic. Once I am done wrapping the thread all around the hook, I am just securing the end with a little glue so it stays in place neatly. Now comes the most beautiful part, creating the wave. I start by tying the thread to the hook, then gently looping it around one section at a time. And little by little, the waves start taking shape. Dream catchers are not just decorative, they are believed to filter negative energy and bad dreams, allowing only positive vibes to pass through. Each loop connects to the next, slowly forming the delicate pattern. Just keep going in a circular motion, pulling the thread slightly tight as you move inward. This is the most satisfying part, watching the pattern slowly come together. Just looping the thread again and again, keeping the gaps even. It doesn't have to be perfect, handmade always has its charm. Just patiently weaving each loop and turning simple thread into something so pretty. In the center, I am adding a pearl bead and secure it properly with a knot. Now let's prepare the seashells. Place a thick cloth under the shell to avoid cracking. To attach them, we need to make small holes. Before making holes, I soak the seashells overnight in the water. This helps to clean them and makes the process easier. I have this tweezer. It has sharp tip that can easily make a perfect hole. Just tap it with the help of something heavy. You can use any sharp tool you have. Make sure the tip is sharp and thin. Thick tools can crack the shell or make big holes. After making the holes, I am painting the seashells. You can use any color you like. I chose a soft purple shade to match my theme. I'm starting with the dark purple color and covering the whole shell. Then I'm adding a soft light purple shade on the edges to create a nice contrast. This two-tone effect makes the shells look more detailed and aesthetic. I really love how the color blends so softly. You can already see the transformation. It looks so pretty. Let them dry completely before using them. I'm cutting threads of different lengths and adding feathers to them. To secure the feathers properly, I'm applying a little glue on top, then add beads and painted shells. I have made 3 different lengths of threads, each decorated with beads, painted shells and feathers at the end. I'm placing the longest thread in the center and the 2 shorter ones on the sides. This arrangement will give a nice balance and flowy look. I am carefully tying them onto the dream catcher hook. You can adjust the spacing, the length as you like, depending on your design. And finally, our beautiful seashell dream catcher is ready. You can hang it near your bed, window, or wall. And because of the seashells, you can hear a soft, smooth sound just like a wind chime when the air flows. If you enjoy this DIY, don't forget to like.